7 meters high. Jaguar masks fashioned from stone blocks adorn the front of this ancient tomb. Lions are a popular motif in Chinese art. Statues of guardian lions protected the entrances of imperial palaces. These stone giants continue to stand watch over the Forbidden City. As king of the beasts, the lion has long been associated with royalty. These regal-looking felines thought to represent nobility, courage, and strength. Their images are common on heraldry. Since medieval times, lions have been used as a symbol for England. Other nations hold big cats in high esteem. A lion and a tiger proudly share duties on Singapore's coat of arms. In Somalia, leopards are charged with a similar task. A golden lion strikes a stately pose on Sri Lanka's flag. The city of Venice is patrolled by numerous sculptures of lions. These cats, a traditional symbol of the city. Lions also feature in Chinese cultural celebrations. Dancers wear vibrant costumes and mimic the movement of these felines when performing the lion dance. These spectacular shows are thought to bring good luck and fortune. A festive celebration of these fascinating cats. As much as big cats are admired, these majestic animals face a multitude of challenges in the modern world. Habitat loss is a big issue. As large felines, they need space to roam around and hunt. Deforestation and fragmentation impacts these wild cats, as does agriculture and human encroachment. The closer communities get to big cat territories, conflicts occur. Loss of habitat also affects their prey species, which means lower food supplies for these apex predators. The reduction in their populations upsetting the balance of the entire ecosystem. The bushmeat trade, trophy hunting, and poaching all contribute to declines in wild populations. Some cultures continue to believe in the supposed magical and medicinal properties of big cat body parts. A cruel and pointless practice. The conservation status of each big cat varies.
University ongea kutumia marogo yogo tindi otige skuru ogo bimagwaye kwa sare omugako osari gasi yaye nywa maru oetana na sawa kwa regasi ya serikali ya Mobuta oitikaka ongea kuchanga abantu chifamili chiabuneka wetera sekincho yo abagaka se abanyina kunywa marogo yogo tindi umuntu otige kanisa asegesha amarogo yogote umuntu onge yakoiba urengo umuntu ya elianyoro kibasa cyo kanyora konywa amarogo yogote umuntu onge yagwetana n'abantu bamwe abo bosayigo asegesha amarogo yogote bacaga twabapima twaba amarogo yogote bibintu mubere twabakorera kansile na igo twabakonya unabu twakonyereka
Kamba kwani nga bohire biya imagarawa yabano bagusiba mutasi mwatoka gusiengima samuri tangu kubwas maset ngai gotoka Kisii County jana ya mabona beri mutumia mario yo gotinga unenya sore na maru ikana rito asenya gitari ya Pentamiri ya Kusenda na nyato ka wahinga nyora ba gitari ya roba kandwali aseme ni yetatu basi kulikerete ka ngame chikosi kia linge chinge jira bechi kigongonye kana bagata isiko asenya gitari ya Pentamiri ya Kusenda ne gwataba gitari ya bangi una kawita osire ngawa konya barwira soma yumuye babwana bwana.
Kwa majina naitwa Oliver Tambo, mimi ni mwana saikolojia katika hospitali ya Better Me Option Rehabilitation. Better Me Option Rehabilitation tunasaidia wagonjwa ambao wako na shida za ulevi, matumizi ya mihadarati, wale ambao wako na stress na wale ambao wako na upungufu wa kiakili. Sisi tunapatikana Kajiado Isinya Road, pahali inaitwa Birika. Iwapo uko na mtu ambaye ana shida kama hii, tafadhali jaribu utafute kwa nambari zetu ambazo tuko nazo.
Akabatevinga onde wese wato yo gutumia mario obuna yo asenga banya ka bako morenta mapema ataraji ka bako mbega sara
Kila siku ya
Nagusugiri andonse asuru mwanchu murigiri nabwo gukwarigania asamangana maye chinsa 10 asenjira yuko ya chutia ande muno ngakunya kabaga korete gocha asuri nenje Hespon Bosire natena ndibakari ya Douglas Mongera nitunya ko tukumanya ali abiro ko bakagwatika kurwa chingo ngense itangante yanyore asenjira yuko ya chutia neringa abakenya bali bamenze chinsi chisiko na barabuni banyari ko bagwesoke na kubwatana amona abasa imensi ya Kenya kwamiriria na gupinga umuswada of finance bill 2024-2025 nabo igo umo Speaker we National Assembly mugasubwe tukuria rero iganya ko bakakuburi abantu ba Mount Kenya banyako bakwa umuraibu ensiri baka nabo banyako bagutugutera obukabira ubwanya ko bugukwanika ase chinsemo ekyo. Chaka ama ya chinsa 10 mwachu murigeria ningo gukumye kiwika asense ya USA Washington DC abo ase abakenya abanyako bakurubikana abamenyete imense yo weka chimba si cha Kenya ase bari kunyako bakwamira umuswada of finance bill 2024-2025 korengana amuna abakenya abo banyako bakwana amuna barike amangana banyako bawika asense miyo ningo banyako bako ene kyanga ningo bakubwatana amuna abakenya kubwatikana amo nebango yanya tokabagi kubikwa ase bintu aho byabakenya bakunyako bakotumika igento kerere ubugima imense ya Kenya bwabeire egesara ase amatuko ayaiga abwangoiga korengana amuna abakenya abo niko banyako bakuburia umuraibu ense Dr. William Samoei Ruto tabaisa gwetia umuswado yo neba chinga kiura kunyako ko ikiwa ase nyumba yo State House indo kunyako ko ikiwa gose kunyako bako gwetiwa kwa bari chiko imense ya Kenya.
Reject finance bill. Reject finance bill. Reject. Corruption must stop. Corruption must stop. Corruption must stop. We need accountability. We reject oppression. We reject oppression.
He's calling us for dialogue. We are not dialoguing with anyone. We have already said what we want. First of all, reject the finance bill. Secondly, we want to see corruption done with.
So pissed about this finance bill is, yes, they have removed the taxation on the bread, right? But we already know that inside the bill they have sneaked so many things, including 16% of tax increase on remittances. here in diaspora, most of us send money back home to support because of poor leadership and governance.
Be removed from the bill is the taxation on sanitary pads. As women, it's not a choice to have menstrual cycles. Diapers for children, it's a need, it's not a want.
Future ya Wakenya, sisi wadogo, iko at risk. Kwa sababu wale tumewaweka pale, wale waliwapigia kura, wameenda pale, zile vitu walikuwa nasema kwa campaign trail, wamegeuka yote.
Tunataka kuona kwamba kuna usawa, tunataka kuona wale wote ambao walipromisiwa ahadi ambazo walikuwa wamepewa zitimizwe. Ni vibaya sana kutumia Biblia, vifungu vya Biblia eti kwamba nikienda pale nitafanya hili ama lile, lakini hawafanyi hayo yote. Kwa hiyo kama diaspora tunaomba kwamba hiyo bill ikataliwe moja kwa moja kwa jumla.
Gen Z oye! Hey! If these kids can do what they are doing today, if they can move the mountain, if they can move it to another level, we surrender to them.
Yes.
If they can give the destiny of our country to the future generation, we surrender. But one thing we don't want to know, we don't want to see those MPs that have been elected, those governors that have been elected and defeated, those senators that have been elected and defeated, those MCAs and women rep, they should go away and pave way for young men and women here, right now.
For the 204 MPs that voted for the bill to go through, we'd like to tell you very bravely, without any fear, that we are coming for each one of you. We are going to take you down. And I'd like to tell the Gen Z generation, the youths, our parents, to come together and to go take the signatures, and let's take these people out of parliament so we can have the power, so we can be able to control our resources, so we can be able to change our nation.
Demonstration hapa kwa Kenya Embassy ilikuwa na mimi, tulianzia hapa 1990 after Sabasaba, watu wakipigwa wakiuawa. After they were killed, we said no, we cannot stand here as people in diaspora, tunyamaze. Tukaja hapa tukafanya demonstration. Nimwambia kitu kimoja, those days the amount of fear was so real. Watu walikuja na paper bags kwa vichwa yao.
Nawe gukuru asenseme ya Washington DC ni gongo kwene gwika essence ya Kenya abu asaba Kenya bagenda kurubikana chinsemo aho anemono asensemo area ya Ramu asabanya ko bakugikiria umubunge w'ichinsemo icyo yunyara ko bakagwakera umuswado yu ekura chinga kiyonyara ko bakogosomwa ase bunge enene aba Kenya ni gobono batebire tibaguchikorena mega ne ba chinga ki umuswado yura kunyara ko kwanero dit kuri ankyo ase ebunge enene.
It's very sad and very shameful to know that our MPs have approved this finance bill, yet 65% of the country is facing period poverty.
Nasema isi wanawake wa amu. Hiyo padi tucheche yao ya kwamba wakizanya Nairobi 200, kwetu ni 400 bila taxi. Wakituongezea kati tutanunua na isi.
Wale wabunge wa national wote watatu tunawaambia hawana haki ya kujiamulia jambo kwa nafsi zao. Ni lazima waulize sauti ya wananchi. Wananchi mmekubaliana na wabunge wapitishe.
Wabunge wetu tafadhali, mmetuaibisha sana. Na mmebisha hawa vijana. Hawa vijana ndio waliwachagua. Na sijui ni kitu gani hamwezi kuwasikiliza.
Sisi watu wa Lamu ndio watu ambao tunaumia zaidi na hii bili itakapopita. Wakiwa Nairobi wananunua mkate shilingi 60.
Mwanjumulikiria nyoni gokento kubwatia mangana mayakuru Amazing Voice of Victoria guska uchibosioni area mo Speaker of National Assembly Moses Wetangula nigo atara gwikachinsemo chia Mwea abo iyo gotoka ime county ya Kirinyaga asari konya kobaga kwana amuna abantu bensemeyo asanya kobaga kubabori banya kobaga tugutera ari ubukabira ubwanya kobaga kwaneka anamono chinsemo cha Mount Kenya ka kwana ekerekyo niganya kobaga kubori abantu kurwa asensemeyo nabwo aba Kenya bonsi banya kobaga kwaneka buna kurwa bariri baguche asumura Vince Dr. William Samoei Ruto ndanya kobaga kwikenia cha chenda chirianya kobaga kubarira aba Kenya chinga kicho kurigia chikura nyuma obochori obonene botarakorekana imense ya Kenya.
Tusisimame kila wakati kusema watu yangu, watu yangu, wandu ya nyumba, wandu ya nyumba. Ukisema wandu ya nyumba na wengine watabaki wapi? kusupport President William Ruto. Tulizunguka hapa sana, hakuna mahali mimi kukanyaga hapa mlima. Na watu walikuwa wamechangamka. Hii serikali ni yenu. Hii serikali mlipiga kura kwa fujo. Imekuwa miaka 2 haijakwisha. Tunaomba tuwe kitu kimoja.
Si lazima tutafute pesa. Si lazima tulipe ushuru. Ndio mimi nashukuru ya kwamba Papa Roma Wakenya hawa hawana shida na kulipa ushuru. Shida ambayo uko nayo tu kidogo ni ku make sure kwamba hiyo ushuru inatumiwa.
Nabo ikokwika ime county ya Kisii anemono ase bunge ya basi ensemo ya Sameta aborokiwa bali bakagiriko chikonyara kwa bagoso achi University College nabo igo chitifeti niko igati aborokiwa batachi kunyara kwa bakonyora libagali goso ase school jo kubatikana amono konyorwa kwibande gose national ID cha Kenya korengana amuna aborokiwa banyako bakwana amuna barikia mangana niko banyako bagwichandira ne bakababwatete ibande byabo umutinyi umutangani bumwa koyiga igati yabo wikaboni igati baranya kwa bakonyora ibandi bibirachi barachi kunyako bagutumika inde kweli kiagoswa ase school chechi college chitifeti na bwego chi University immense ya Kenya asibanya riko bakurwa ukubure guche ase serikali ya Kenya nyako bakegoswa na gati na bwego banyako bakonyeka ane mono ni gwaru kwana yo chingaki ekibar konyora amaigerio ase gitieki asameta kubatikana amono konyora chiruni echikokonya aborokiwa immense ya Kenya kogenderia amuna masomo abo ane mono chimanyikane tebuna Hebron.
We are going to pass the system moving as a problem.
Because I applied an ID on January and it's now almost 4 months too, and I've not gotten the ID.
I'm paying almost 650,000 and we need to be educated on how to have a very good appendix for application because I came through the Tier 4.
I went on January and applied for the ID, but probably from January to now, not yet the ID not yet come.
You know, the universities have already issued admission letters to the students. However, they are not able to clarify to the students what each household is going to pay. The reason for that is that these students have to apply, and after applying, then their application will be subjected to an assessment using a tool that has been a very good tool that has been developed by the Higher Education Loans Board and University Funding that will now show how much the parent is able.
Wekera gumanju murigendo chinganongo kunyako mungonya utura amaya chinsa ikomi korende chikoraka ibere toskare ne TV yago ni nyara kwa ngwe na gaiganya kwa ngo komanye ayu amura yande amange asinchira yubu ikana muna aragende gwatikana ne mura ranya kwa kagutwikira SMS ya mangana amaya litukeri gali rero umunkuru yose ni bwana bwo genda kubwatia emero berikuru amazing voice of victory iriane ni gonkuru kwa Hespon Posire.